Hey friends, the DeFi Doctor here, the head of education at Decentralized Masters, the home to expert crypto education. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting developments in the DeFi space. AI and DeFi are colliding in ways that are completely transforming financial services. Whether it's optimizing trading strategies, automating risk management, or improving user experiences, artificial intelligence is changing the game. And the big question is, what does this mean for the future of decentralized finance? Before we get into how AI is reshaping DeFi, let's take a quick step back. DeFi, or decentralized finance, was created to remove intermediaries like banks and give people full control of their assets. But the problem is, managing finances without a safety net of traditional banking systems can be overwhelming. The DeFi space moves fast. The market is volatile. Scams are everywhere. AI is stepping in to make things easier, safer, and more efficient. Let's start with trading. Everyone in crypto dreams of making the right trade at the right time. But let's be honest, it's not easy. The market is a 24/7 beast that never sleeps. This is where AI-powered trading bots come in. These bots analyze market trends, news sentiment, and even on-chain data in real time. Unlike humans, AI doesn't get emotional. It doesn't panic sell or FOMO into bad trades. It follows pure logic and executes strategies with precision. Platforms like Numerai and Singularity DAO are already using AI to optimize hedge fund strategies and portfolio management. And while AI-driven trading is impressive, it's not a magic bullet. If you're relying on AI bots, you still need to monitor them, tweak parameters, and understand the risks. I've seen people blindly trust AI trading bots, only to get wrecked because they didn't adjust for market conditions. AI is a tool, not a replacement for strategy. Next, let's talk about risk assessment. If you've ever taken out a loan in DeFi, you know how brutal the system can be. Most lending platforms require over-collateralization, meaning you have to put up more money as collateral than you're borrowing. This is because DeFi lacks the ability to assess credit worthiness like banks do. But AI is fixing this. New models are being developed to analyze on-chain behavior, transaction history, and even social reputation to determine credit risk. Projects like Spectral Finance are working on decentralized credit scores, bringing a layer of intelligence to DeFi lending. This could open up the door for under-collateralized loans, making DeFi more accessible to everyday users. But of course, this also raises questions. How much data are we willing to share? If AI is scoring your financial trustworthiness, is it truly decentralized, or are we just rebuilding traditional finance on the blockchain? Another area where AI is making waves is user experience. Let's be real, DeFi is complicated. If you're new, trying to navigate different protocols, understand gas fees, or avoid scam projects is a nightmare. AI-powered assistants and recommendation engines are helping users make smarter decisions. Imagine a DeFi dashboard that suggests optimal yield farming strategies based on your portfolio, warns you about high-risk protocols, or even automates your portfolio rebalancing. Some platforms are already integrating AI chatbots that can answer complex DeFi questions in real time. I've tested a few, and while they're not perfect, they're getting better. The idea of an AI-powered DeFi assistant that helps users navigate the ecosystem without getting wrecked is something that could bring millions of new users into crypto. Security is another huge area in which AI is improving. DeFi has a hacking problem. Every other week, there's news of an exploit or a rug pull draining millions from unsuspecting users. AI-powered security tools are being developed to detect vulnerabilities in smart contracts before they can be exploited. They scan code, analyze transaction patterns, and flag suspicious activity. We're already seeing projects like OpenZeppelin and Forta integrating AI to monitor DeFi protocols for threats in real time. This could be a game changer, making DeFi much safer for developers and users. So, what does this all mean? AI is undoubtedly making DeFi smarter, safer, and more accessible. But it's not without its risks. Over-reliance on AI can lead to blind trust in algorithms, and bad actors can use AI just as effectively as good ones. We've already seen AI-generated deepfake scams, tricking people into handing over their funds. And then there's the question of decentralization. If a few powerful AI models control DeFi's risk assessments and trading strategies, are we really decentralized, or are we just creating a new gatekeeper? The bottom line is, AI is an immensely powerful tool, but that's just it. It's a tool. If you're in DeFi, you should be paying attention to how AI is evolving, but you should also be skeptical. Learn how these tools work, test them before relying on them, and always remember that no AI, no bot, no algorithm can replace solid risk assessment. and good decision making. Thanks for tuning in to another Decentralized Masters crypto class. If you found this breakdown helpful, subscribe and hit that like button. Stay sharp, my friends, stay decentralized, and I'll see you in the next one.